Ever wondered how Costco, the wholesale giant, can help you buy a car? Welcome to the Costco Auto Program, a service that provides Costco members with prearranged pricing on new and certified pre-owned vehicles through a network of selected dealerships. This program is designed to simplify the car buying process, eliminating the need for negotiation and ensuring a great deal. The Costco Auto Program offers a plethora of features. It covers a wide range of vehicles, from cars and trucks to motorcycles and RVs. It provides prearranged pricing, ensuring you get a good deal. The program also offers member advocacy, which means you have someone to support you if any issues arise during the buying process. Plus, you can benefit from the program's parts, service, and accessories discounts. You might be wondering about the pricing. While the actual price you pay will depend on the specific vehicle and dealership, you can rest assured knowing that Costco has prearranged a special price for you. This price is often lower than the manufacturer's suggested retail price. Additionally, you get to see the prearranged price before making a commitment, providing transparency and peace of mind. The Costco Auto Program is perfect for Costco members who are in the market for a new or pre-owned vehicle and want a hassle-free shopping experience. If you dislike negotiating prices, appreciate transparency in pricing, or simply want to ensure you're getting a good deal, this program is ideal for you. It's also a great option if you're looking for parts, service, and accessories discounts. The program offers numerous advantages. One of the biggest benefits is the prearranged pricing, which can save you money. The program's wide range of vehicles ensures you have plenty of options. The member advocacy provides valuable support during the buying process, and the discounts on parts, service, and accessories can lead to significant savings over time. Despite its benefits, the program does have limitations. Not all brands or models are available through the program. Plus, the prearranged pricing, while often lower than the MSRP, may not always be the absolute lowest price available. Lastly, while the program offers support, some members have reported issues with certain dealerships not honoring the prearranged pricing. In conclusion, the Costco Auto Program can be a valuable tool for Costco members looking to purchase a new or pre-owned vehicle. The prearranged pricing, wide selection, and member advocacy offer a simplified and potentially money-saving experience. However, limitations exist, and it's crucial to do your research and ensure the program suits your specific needs before proceeding. Here are the key takeaways. The Costco Auto Program offers prearranged pricing, a wide selection, and member advocacy. It's ideal for members who want a simplified car buying experience. However, not all brands are available, and the prearranged pricing may not always be the best deal. As with any significant purchase, doing your research is crucial. In the end, the Costco Auto Program offers a unique solution for members looking to purchase a vehicle. It simplifies the process and provides potential savings, but it's essential to understand its limitations. With the right approach, it can be a valuable tool in your car buying journey. Thank you for watching this analysis of the Costco Auto Program. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative content. We appreciate your support.